So are you wondering if this new Nothing CMF Phone 1 has actually got swappable battery, as in can you actually remove the battery and put in another one easily? As you already know, this phone is really meant to be taken apart and the cases can be changed so easy. So this is main selling point of the phone. However, I do have some very bad news for you. This phone actually does not have a removable battery that can be simply taken out and new battery placed inside like you could actually on other phones in the past. Again, this is completely crazy since they literally provide easy access to the back of it. Still, I think if you actually need to replace the battery if it wears out, it will be so extremely easy. Basically, you will need to simply peel this thing off. It has some kind of security sticker here, and then you can basically lift this cover here, basically like a plastic sheet, I don't know, something like that. And then you will be able to unscrew a couple screws and it will pop out. So it's actually kind of easy to remove the battery if it wears out. That's kind of cool. However, really it's completely ridiculous that you can't really swap the battery out for another one, and really I think Nothing completely dropped the ball on this one. They could have made an absolute killer phone. In the past, literally every phone had this feature where you could take off the cover and you could take out the battery. There's really no physical limitations why you couldn't really do that. I don't know why they didn't even think about that. Again, that would be a huge selling point of this phone. For example, you could simply remove the battery and insert a new one instead of charging phone. If you are traveling somewhere, that was huge selling point for a lot of phones in the past, and that was very common feature. Still, this phone has got excellent repairability basically, and pretty much any person can change the battery on it once it degrades. However, I think the Nothing really dropped the ball by not including this feature where you can again simply take out the battery and swap for a new one.